first official full day here at Naxos Island, and we just arrived here at Alyko beach. We drove about 20 minutes from Naxos old town. Wow. So guys, we decided to check first the surroundings before we will get into the water. I just have to be careful while filming because there are actually people here who are nudists, like they are naked. So wow, here is also really nice on the other side. So now we are confused which beach. That side is so beautiful. Yeah. Alyko is located at the southwest part of Naxos Island. It's more of like a natural area with exotic landscape and a series of a beautiful turquoise sandy beaches. You can't find any amenities here. There's no snack bars or something where you can rent an umbrella, sunbeds and stuff. It can be reached by car or motorbike. There are no public buses that stop directly at the beach, but you can get off at Alyko and walk from there. Too bad. This hotel is a perfect location.
Yeah.
If I have much money, I would invest here. We are here at the Hotel Ruina. Look at the view here. Wow. It's actually really big. And for some reason they discontinue building it. So let's go up if it's possible. The hallway of the hotel. If you don't have accommodation here, then you can stay here. Go camping. Oh, look at that, guys. If you have this room, you have that view. Ah, there's a stairs actually. Yeah. So nice. So let's go up. Rooftop view. Wow. So we're here at the top of the Hotel Ruina. Imagine there's an infinity pool here and you have this very nice overlooking view. Right? It's $1 million view. And the hotel might be
So cute. Look at ring ring. You know.
so cute.
Oui.
The water here, guys, is calm compared to the other side. But the water temperature is a bit colder. Ah, sarap! Ah. Basa is bisle fresh. Come here now. The name of that nude beach is Hawaii Beach. And we're done swimming. Look at the water from here. It looks like a Caribbean beach, right? The color came from that beautiful beach. And then here on the other side, there's another beautiful beach. Look at that. I don't know though the name, but it looks so blue from here. Wow. It's also very huge. So beautiful. So huge. Look at that. Aside from the stunning beaches of Alyko, there are also some unique spots of greeneries. It's the cedar forest that creates a beautiful lush backdrop. The forest is a protected area, and it is also a favorite swimming spots of naturists or nudists, as it is away from the crowd, it's remote, and it's also really huge. So that was all about the, I forgot the name of the beach again.
Alyko.
Alyko Beach. And now we're moving to the next one. It's just nearby, right? So let's go. So we've come to a beach called Glyfada, and it's only about 1 kilometer away from Alyko Beach, and it's also very huge here, and also very blue water. It's so huge here, right? Wow. Almost empty beach. And if I'm not mistaken, that island on the other side is Paros, I guess. And we actually had a stopover yesterday on the way to here, to Naxos Island. It's ideal here for kite surfing. It's super windy and the waves are stronger. And so we decided to do a little road trip along the rugged coastline back to the town. I know it's just our first full day here in Naxos, but this place has already exceeded our expectations. We didn't expect that we could find those beautiful long turquoise sandy beaches here. We're back to the town and we're here at the supermarket because we don't have anything. We have to buy some stuffs for breakfast, drinks, what else? I think this is the biggest market here I've seen. I want some grapes. We got some radlers, beer, water, like 2 bottles extra, that Lipton iced tea, and we also got some stuffs here. So another small bottle water. What else? Some drinks, some snacks, some fruits, and we paid 26 euros for everything. It's cheaper than in Germany. Hey guys, so we are here at the Naxos Old Town. It's actually on the other side, and we're gonna explore a little bit more here. Hey, Alina. Philip is still playing with the cats. Such a cat man. Hey guys, it's already Kalispera because it's about 6 in the evening, and we are here at Naxos Old Town. This is the other part, or the other side, which we haven't seen yet, so we will check a little bit here before going out before having our dinner actually. So here it's more of like a residential area, and that one is, I believe, a castle, right? Is that the castle that you're talking about? No. So it's a church according to my Google husband. Oh, that's nice. So that's a restaurant. Buhin? Das turunta o dahok? So that's another Catholic church. Just like Mykonos, guys, here it feels like you're also in a maze. So many small narrow streets which like you don't have any idea what waits for you. Okay, I'm hungry now, Honig. We have to go down. I'm so hungry. Restaurant. Cute. Smells so good. Oh god, I'm hungry. That's nice. Artisan shop. This is so cute. Cute, guys. And nobody is here. Oh my god, it's so beautiful here. Look at that little nice corner. There's something. So as I said earlier, just like Mykonos, here it is also like you're in a maze. You don't know where you're gonna end up to. What kind of beer is that?
Greek beer.
What's the name? Mamos. And then I just got a flavored beer called Radler. I'm still Radler.
Dutch.
You guys, this is my order and it's so massive. It only costs 10 euros. Yes, look at that. And then, what is that? Gyros.
Yeah, pork and chicken.
Pork and chicken together. It's also very big
Bread.
portion with feta bread. It's a lot, honey. Can you eat that all? How much it cost altogether?
12.
12 euros. Oh my goodness. If you're gonna order that in Mykonos, it will cost you maybe 30 euros. So let's dig in.